Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick review on the food chopper that I got from Amazon about a month back. This has been a great product so far. It comes with a few pieces here. It's got a back that I can go ahead and put underneath as a stabilizer. It's great for any type of surface. It obviously won't scratch anything. It's pretty sticky and firm, which is great. We've got another piece here, which is going to be your chopper itself. You can just go ahead and put that in there. And then we've got a cover, so obviously no food or any substances get out. So go ahead and we'll put that on. Make sure it's firm. And then this is obviously your power source that plugs into a wall. And it's very simple for the product itself. You gotta make sure it's fit on there. And then it's just an easy touch for the actual use itself, which is convenient. It doesn't make a lot of noise like a typical blender would. So it's good. It won't necessarily cause a disturbance in the room if you're making it. So for an example of it, we've got some vegetables here that we can go ahead. You can either put them in with it, or with the chopper, or without it. So we'll go ahead and we'll put them in there. Go ahead and secure the cover. And put the power supply back on there. Make sure it's fit on there. And we'll go ahead and we'll start to cut them up here. Just like that. Pretty quick. Took about 2 to 3 seconds. We will go ahead and we can remove this, and you can see everything is diced up perfectly. The best part about this product is that you can do meat, you can do mushrooms, you can do vegetables for smoothies, anything like that. And overall, it's just a great product. It's great for the kitchen, it's great for everyday use, and it's great for you to buy. So I recommend it, and yeah, it's a great product.